Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Ada. So today I'm gonna talk about this strategy which I talked in my previous video. As you know, that RSI plus HMA plus ATR plus RENKO, the strategy which I have been built, and I'm placing the orders in cover order. Okay, so let me talk about this strategy. So I begin my strategy placing this order around 10:48, so around 11 o'clock I started to place my orders. Okay, so I tried with four stocks I've been placed: Oro, Forma, IOC, Idea and Tata Steel. Okay, so what happens in between, I did a mistake over there in setting parameters. I usually did a mistake by setting them into for the brick size. Okay, it has to be maintained both if you have a kind of any specification, like I want to go with the brick size. So what usually then I round up this Renko bar prices. So whatever you place, like 1 rupee, 2 rupees, so according to that it will take. But if you go with the auto select, so if you select like any kind of a charts over there, okay, if you go with if you go with the display and if you try with your Renko, so you will get a value in a decimal value. Okay, so if I round up for brick size, so the decimal value won't be able to get in perfect. Okay, so I did mistake because I always trade with optimal brick. Okay, I want my ATR to select brick for me. Okay, and it go as usual for these things. Okay, so I started this trading, and in between I just set for for specific trades. So my trigger price was so higher for IOC and for Idea, so it didn't get selected and it is cancelled. Okay, so in between it was like cancel as a IOC and idea because of trigger price was more in these things. Okay, so because of that, and then next what happens, I started the trading with RO Pharma and Tata Steel. Though I thought maybe it can be done great, I just want to check whether whatever the selection has to be done through without decimal points. Then what happens, I felt like it is not good. I should go with specific, I mean perfect things for automation. If I am going with the optimal brick, then I should allow my decimal values. So I just took my brick size allow, as you know, if you go with the prices right now, I just squared off my position. So if you know that if you will go with any kind of a position with the optimal brick, if you watch this close price at left of yours, you definitely get a decimal value. So I just if I am going with the optimal brick, then I have to allow decimal values also. I can't round off. But in this case, I've been used around. You know what is the things which have been used around. Okay. So after that, what I did is in between I may cancel my orders around say 1 o'clock. Means Oro Forma. What I did is like completed the order, and I've been set once again. So at that time, say 1 o'clock. 11 minute, what I did is like I took the RO Pharma once again with having a straight, means getting with a cover order and with optimal brick. So what happens with this one, I just trigger price is good because there is a ratio of selecting the trigger price. You have a certain conditions. If you are going with the trigger price, then only cover order is allowed with your uh, whatever stock investment you have done. So my investment is low, so that's why I didn't get selected with the Idea and IOC. By the way, my strategy is very good. Okay, I developed this strategy and I have been worked on it, and I am, as I can say that I am ready to trade anytime with this this strategy, because this is one of the strategy which is giving me good income. I can get good income from that one if I invest more and more. Okay, so I started with these things. Okay, and I'm very much happy, and I want to continue with these things. So I just tell you in my previous video, whichever the parameters which have been discussed, like RSI, HMI, those settings are here which have been discussed. You can go here and can watch these things. The video which I've been recorded around 2 hours video is there, which I will fast forward in some speed, and I will definitely gonna paste it. So you can see after my presentation, after this review, you can go ahead and can watch this video, so exactly you can get what I've been done through these things. Okay, so I suggest that you can go for these things. And as you know, I've been performed today Oro Pharma has done very well. So if you know this optimal brick has this outperform, as in between sell was there, but my RSI didn't allow to go me sell because Renko means you have to be steady. If you are steady in these things, you are definitely making money. Okay, and the point is I am not over trading. If I do over trade, I'll be make my profit my profit get consumed. Okay, so I just considering this the point of brokerage also. Okay, so I should do the less trade. Okay, I should do the medium frequency trading. Okay, so for that thing I have been set my parameters. I am good to go around 120. So as you can see, it has choose perfect condition here and around 20 quantity. With in this case, what happens in Tata Steel, I didn't took more. It was just 3 rupees only. So what happens at around 40 to 50 rupees earlier I made loss, which you can see from my video which I will paste. So it recovered that loss also, as you see at the end of the market when I squared off. Oro Pharma has given good, and Tata Steel also recovered. So if you set once and if it is good, you're definitely making money, and the quantity should be good if you are doing these things. Okay, and you can definitely make money. Okay, so for these things, I'll just say you watch the video till the end. I'll wind it up here. If you have any query regarding this video, you can direct message me to WhatsApp. Okay, so because the comments are disabled. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you. See you.